India is under lockdown. WHO declared COVID-19 as a pandemic. 198 countries across the world are raising the World War III against this coronavirus. Hello guys, this is Kella Pawan. Let us discuss more about this topic and welcome to my channel, BIT. I hope you all guys are doing good, even it's a lockdown situation. And coming to me, I came across nearly 45 to 50 schools and interacted with AP and Telangana students through these online webinars, and came to know that many students are focusing on their safety measures in order to prevent this COVID-19, and they are really enthusiastic to create something new gadgets for this corona. They are preparing like organic sanitizers and some automatic sanitizers and some many more gadgets for this related to this COVID-19, and many students are showing more interest towards their passion and innovation, and I really felt very happy that they are focusing on their talent and moving forward towards their passion, and they are getting enough time to work out their talent because due to this lockdown. Yes, absolutely, not only we have an much more time in this lockdown to improve our talent. Guys, as a researcher, I felt the nature gave us a chance to do something in our life. So this is the best time to utilize our talent in this lockdown. Yes, this 3 to 4 months of halt which was done by the nature is very valuable because we can focus on our talent to enhance it through our hard work. Many people are either sitting idle or feeling bored and watching some movies, etc., or doing some unproductive work which is not valuable. And when I interacted with many companies, like innovative companies called BBox, and many universities like Oxford University, Harvard Universities, in the coming years the future of the world will be in such a way what not everything is going to be done from home itself. Coming to transportation, due to this lockdown, the nature is curing itself and the harmful pollution of the vehicles and showing positivity towards the recovery. And next, coming to the students and their education, each and every student is thinking innovatively. A part of scoring a rank, they are focusing on their innovations and how to get the patent for their innovations, and they're improving their skills where they are creating innovative gadgets in order to beat the China. In this situation, the first and foremost thing we need to do is to improve and upgrade our knowledge in innovative skills, and we join with the students and will help them how to make as much as possible to recover from this China. The only way to cross China is by upgrading ourselves and creating employment opportunity to the people with the young minds. In order to make the possible, all the needs to do is to focus on our innovation and innovative skills rather than our scores. So we decided to start a company which mainly focuses on the individual's passion and platform, and it's a platform to lead their growth and to improve their passion. This BioInfotech is a platform for not only a student, for everyone who wanted to enhance their talent. We started our 3 months back. We started it like we conducted weekly conferences for discussion on interesting topics, and we introduced great personalities like Padma Shri Mallesham Garu and Brigadier Ganesham Garu to our students to make them motivated towards their hard work and to develop their desires. And still many more great personalities are going to come. For example, like Brother Shafi and J.D. Lakshman Narayan Garu. As we all know, Brother Shafi was a young youth icon and also master of motivator. His speeches, I would like to show the video clip of some of the students who are encouraging their talent. So guys, if you have desire to develop your passion, if you are interested in showing your passion, then BIT is ready to show your platform. So guys, if you have desire to develop your passion, if you are interested to showing your passion, then BIT is the right platform for you guys. To make it possible, we are helping and supporting many students to develop their talents. We are here to welcome you all to improve your talent exhibited to the people thoughts and through our company, Bioinfotech, solution for your passion.